In the beginning, a lot of guys would do it on the streets, and then now that they have a safe place to do it, they come here. It's easier. There's less risk. It's safer to come here than to go do it on the streets, where they can not only risk themselves but other people. Right? At least here, it's a controlled environment. We have like strict safety regulations for the cars. On the street, anything goes.
One thing it will really hurt is the family aspect of it, because you come out here to races and there's been generations of people out here. A lot of the racers now are the sons and granddaughters of guys that raced here back in the 50s and 60s. And for those family traditions that have gone on for that many years, it's going to be gone, and it's very sad.